to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Government to revoke Deram tax from Hindu temples to alter Shetkari Adhar Scheme. Contractual period of 225 NREGA workers to be extended. Old Goa police arrest 69 labourers with employers for illegal sand extraction. 5 canoes seized, raid by Mines and Geology Department. Supreme Court may give interim order in buffer zone case on Friday. Sources say main petition on mining ban may get postponed till January. Case of illegal transfer of shops in Punjab market may be transferred to IAS officers for inquiry. Councillors demand report by 31st March. And Tempo Sports Club's Rohan Ricketts settles into Indian way of football. English midfielder admits feeling frustrated. And now the news in detail. Government will scrap the Deram tax on the Hindu temples. The tax was imposed during Portuguese regime. Prudent had highlighted the issue through a special report last Sunday. Deputy CM Francis D'Souza said the notices issued to the temples for Deram recovery would be withdrawn. Government has also decided to extend contractual period of 225 NREGA workers with a 50% rise in salaries. Government would also modify the Shetkari Adhar Scheme. Cabinet has also decided to introduce the jail reforms. 42 new posts have also been created in the Women and Child Development Department.
प्रोसेस चालू हा माझो नोटीस गेले म्हणून खबर हा पण तो काढपाचो मार्ग राहा आम्ही. It has to be done. Assurance has been given in the house. It will be what you call fulfilled. घेवचेच पडटल्यो त्यो. There is no point in बारीक शिल्लक पैसे त्यांच्याकडसून घेवपाक. Creation of 42 new posts under the administrative control of the Directorate of Women and Child Development. The losses caused to the cultivated crops to infrastructure as above due to wild animals shall also be covered under Shetkari Adhar Scheme. The term wild animal will be defined in Wildlife Protection Act, Central Act 53 of 1972. Para 2, cause of damage, the following shall be added to after 1, wild animals. The scale of compensation for the losses to crops or trees shall be continued to the same as notified under Shetkari Adhar Scheme as per notification dated 23rd February 2011. Extension of contractual period of staff under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. 225 लोकांचे टर्म वाढयला त्यांचा पगारही वाढयला मी एक 400 वयर लोक आले ते 257 केल्या. आता प्रिझनच आम्ही ते कलेक्टराकडे डिपार्टमेंट असले ते सेपरेट करून आयजी प्रिझन सेपरेट केल्ले हा. मेकिंग सेंट्रल लागवादा जेल इंटू एन एक्सक्लुसिव्ह वुमन्स प्रिझन. म्हापशा फक्त प्रिझनर्स 18 ते 21 वर्षाचे थंय आसतले. हितून फक्त कॉन्विक्ट्स म्हणजे कन्विक्टेड प्रिझनर्स आणि मेल अंडर ट्रायल्स आसतले म्हणून कोणाचे केसीस चालू हा पळय ते कोलवाले आसतले. सब जल सडा मे बी कन्वर्टेड प्रायमरीली एज ए प्रिझनर फॉर हाऊसिंग अंडर ट्रायल्स एज ग्रुप अबव 21 इयर्स. माझ्या अंदाजान म्हाका एक्चुअल खबर ना कोण हा पळय ते पण सोडोवपाच्या लिस्टार लोक आहा. माझ्या कडच्यान 10-15 आसू शकता.
Old Goa police have arrested 69 labourers along with their employers and seized 5 canoes for illegally extracting sand. Mines and Geology Department raided illegal sand extraction sites at Kumbarjua on Thursday. The case has been handed over to the Old Goa police for investigation.
under the supervision of Inspection Officer Sudhir Mandrekar and Jayan Sirsat, Captain of Ports, raided the sites. Panji Police, in coordination with Coastal Police, began their operation at around 10 on Thursday morning. They raided sand extraction sites at Kumbarjua in the Mandavi River. Inspection officers from Mines Department with others seized 5 canoes which were allegedly engaged in sand extraction. One canoe was seized with the extracted sand. Officials arrested 69 labourers on board and their employees. They are currently in the custody of Old Goa Police. In a suo motu matter, Goa Bench of Bombay High Court had earlier ordered State Mines and Geology Department to take stern action against illegal sand extraction in the state. Reporter Shetkari, video journalist Shishant Pol and Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Supreme Court is expected to give interim order on buffer zone for Goa on Friday. Sources indicate that the main petition regarding mining ban may not come up for hearing. There is total ambiguity regarding submission of the CEC report. The hearing may get postponed till January considering the present situation.
Goa might get little clarity on buffer zone issue but not on main mining ban case. Sources from Delhi say Supreme Court may give interim order on buffer zone issue. Mining ban case is listed as item number 309 on the Supreme Court board. The case may not come up for hearing on Friday. All possibility that next hearing will be in January. Sources close to the CEC mention that the report is almost ready, but the committee is undecided about filing of the report on Friday. They may ask for more time. Ministry of Environment and Forest also may not file their say on Friday and ask for extension in time. But the situation right now can push the hearing in January. This is the possible scenario. Court will be on vacation from 3rd week of December. Court will reopen only in January. Bench hearing the mining petition may also change. New bench may prefer to hear the petition all over again. The uncertainty about the proceedings in the Supreme Court clearly suggests that the matter may get delayed in the court of law. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.